is energy? The energy of a body is its capacity to do work and make change possibly. Energy can be changed from one form to another form, and we can use it to do the work. In mathematically, energy is equal to work done. What are the basic forms of energy? There are two basic forms of energy, which are kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is energy that moves the object, such as electrical, chemical, electrochemical, thermal, electromagnetic, motion and sound energy. Meanwhile, potential energy is energy that comes in forms that are stored, including chemical, gravitational, mechanical, and nuclear energy. Type of energy. There are two types of energy. The first one is renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy that derives from the natural sources that are replenished at a higher rate than they are consumed. The example of renewable energy is chemical, nuclear, indirect solar. The example of chemical is muscular. Meanwhile, for nuclear is geothermal and fusion, and for indirect solar is biomass and wind. The second type of energy is non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy is the source of the energy that will run out or will not be replenished in out of time. The example of non-renewable energy is chemical and nuclear. The example for chemical is fossil fuels, and for nuclear is uranium. Why we need energy? Energy is important because human activities are dependent on the source of energy. For example, a housewife needs electrical energy to do the household job, such as washing the clothes and cooking. In the next 10 to 30 years, natural gas will be the best form of the energy resources. Natural gas is formed through the thermogenic process. What is thermogenic process? The thermogenic process is when the organic material is converted into natural gas due to the high pressure. There are three advantages of natural gases. Burning natural gas for energy results in fewer emissions of nearly all types of air pollutant and carbon dioxide than coal. Other than that, natural gas also a good partner to renewable sources of energy, such as solar and wind. And the last one is natural gas is now widely available through LNG that can help the countries deal with the short-term supply disruption. Energy insufficiency is one of the energy application scenarios around the globe. According to the International Energy Agency (IEA), in 2010, 1.5 billion, approximately 20% people around the world lack access to electricity, especially those that live in rural areas. One of the factors those people has a lack access to the electricity is due to the lack electricity delivery infrastructure, such as grid connectivity. All of this problem is due to the lack of access to that place. For example, in South Africa, there are many places has not received electricity due to the problem that has mentioned above.